2025 has completely changed the way people make money online, especially in the UK and the USA right now. There are thousands of people learning from home using nothing more than a laptop, an internet connection, and a few AI tools that anyone can learn in minutes. Some are making an extra £30 or $50 a day. Some are earning £200 or $300, and a small group has even turned AI into their full-time income. And here's the crazy part. Most of these people had zero experience when they started. They weren't designers. They weren't video editors. They weren't writers. They simply learned how to use AI this smart way. That's why I always say this. AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing the people who refuse to learn it. And the biggest opportunity is right now, because AI is still in its early phase. Only a small percentage of people are actually using it to build income streams, which means the advantage is still wide open for early action takers. Think about it: if you had started YouTube 10 years ago, or TikTok in the early days, or Instagram when no one cared about it, your life would look completely different today. Well, 2025 is giving you that same kind of early opportunity all over again, but this time through AI. Right now, people are creating full YouTube videos with AI, no camera, no microphone. People are selling AI voiceovers on Fiverr and earning per project. Some are posting AI-generated short-form content and going viral without ever showing their face. Others are running Etsy shops with AI-designed tees. Some are writing complete blogs with AI and earning through ads and affiliate marketing. AI has created a new shortcut, something our parents and even older creators never had. The only question is, are you going to use it? Because the people who take action today will be the same people earning consistently in the next 30 days. And the ones who keep waiting will still be in the exact same place next year thinking, I wish I'd started sooner. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap you can follow from zero skills, zero experience, and zero investment to launching your first AI-powered side hustle and earning your first $1,000 online. No complications, no hype, just practical steps that actually work in 2025. So stay with me, because this could be the single video that kickstarts your entire online income journey. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're watching this video right now, it probably means you're really looking for a real way to make money in 2025, something that actually works. Something you can start from home, and something that doesn't require years of experience or a huge investment. And honestly, you're in the right place, because this year has opened the biggest earning opportunity we've seen in a long time. Using AI to build side hustles and online income streams. People across the UK and the USA are using ChatGPT, AI editing tools, voice generators, and automation software to start earning from scratch, some part-time, some full-time, and some even hitting numbers they never thought were possible. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert, you don't need to be creative, and you don't need a fancy setup. You just need the right system and the willingness to take action. In today's video, I'm going to break down a complete step-by-step roadmap that shows you exactly how to start an AI side hustle from zero and grow it into your first $1,000 online. We're not just talking about ideas, you're going to learn the actual process, the tools, the workflow, and the strategy you can follow over the next 30 days to build something real. Whether you're a student, someone working a full-time job, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone tired of relying on one source of income. This guide is designed to make your life easier and help you start earning smarter, not harder. So get comfortable, stay till the end, and let's jump into the real steps to building your first AI-powered income stream in 2025. Chapter 1, Understanding the AI Advantage in 2025. Before we jump into building your side hustle, it is important to understand why AI is such a massive opportunity in 2025 and why this year is different from anything we've seen before. Right now, AI tools are giving ordinary people the type of speed, creativity, and automation that only professionals with expensive equipment had a few years ago. That gap is gone. AI can now write like a professional copywriter, design like a graphic artist, edit videos like an experienced editor, and even speak like a trained voiceover artist. And none of this requires technical knowledge. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to learn Photoshop. And you don't need to take expensive courses. AI has made high-level skills accessible to beginners, and this single shift has completely changed the online earning landscape. In the UK and USA, the cost of living has risen dramatically. People are actively looking for new ways to bring in extra income. And that is exactly why AI side hustles are exploding. Because they don't require money to start. All you need is a phone or laptop, an internet connection, and consistency. The demand for fast content, designs, blog posts, short videos, voiceovers, and automation is higher than ever. And AI lets you deliver all of this at a speed no human can compete with. Man's URE, not just starting a side hustle. URE starting with a competitive advantage from day one. Think of AI as your partner. It takes care of the heavy lifting while you simply manage the process. And this partnership is what allows beginners to move from zero to their first $1,000 much faster than ever before. Your real job isn't to become a master at design, writing, or editing. Your real job is simply learning how to use these tools effectively. You guide, AI executes. You refine, AI enhances. You publish, AI supports. It's the perfect combination. And once you understand this mindset, that AI is your multiplier, you're ready to start building your online income. Now, let's move into the exact tools you will use to launch your first side hustle. Chapter 2, Essential AI Tools You Need for Success to Build Your AI Side Hustle. You don't need 20 different tools. You only need a few high-impact ones that cover 80% of the work. The first is ChatGPT, which is the brain of your entire operation. This tool can help you write scripts, create blog posts, draft emails, brainstorm video ideas, write product descriptions, and even generate marketing content. Treat ChatGPT as your personal assistant that works instantly. 24/7 partes with no salary required. Next, you'll need a visual tool. And right now, Midjourney and Adobe E3 are the kings of AI design. These tools allow you to generate logos, illustrations, t-shirt designs, posters, thumbnails, and social media graphics with a simple prompt. You don't need design experience because the AI handles that for you. Your only responsibility is choosing the right style and refining the output. For video creation, CapCut, Runway, ML, and Pictory are essential. These tools take your scripts and automatically create high-quality videos using stock footage, transitions, captions, and AI-generated voices. If you want to make faceless YouTube videos or TikTok reels, these tools will make your life incredibly easy. Speaking of voices, 11 Labs is currently the most realistic AI voice generator. With this, you can offer voiceover services or use the voices to narrate your own content without revealing your identity. You can choose from British, American, Australian, or neutral accents, which is ideal for a UK-USA audience. And finally, for your publishing and branding, Canva is you'll use it for thumbnails, social media posts, Etsy designs, Pinterest graphics, and more. It's simple, automated, and beginner-friendly. These tools together create a full ecosystem. ChatGPT handles text, Midjourney handles images, 11 Labs handles audio, CapCut handles video, Canva handles design. With just these 5 tools, you can run a complete online business, no experience needed. Chapter 3, Choosing the Right AI Side Hustle. For you, choosing the right side hustle is one of the most important steps. The goal I sent to choose the trendiest idea. It is to choose something you can stay consistent with. There are 5 main AI-powered side hustles you should consider. The first is AI YouTube automation. This is perfect if you want long-term passive income. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. AI handles the script, voice, editing, and visuals. Your job is choosing topics and uploading consistently. Monetized channels earn through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, and digital products. The second is TikTok and YouTube Shorts automation. If you prefer fast results, DCC ideal. Short videos take minutes to make and can go viral easily. With AI voiceovers, auto subtitles, and trending templates, you can create 10 to 20 videos per day. The more content you post, the faster your account grows. The third option is AI freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. You can offer services like AI-generated logos, AI-written blogs, video editing, voiceovers, captioning, or even full AI branding packages. You don't need prior experience. You only need a strong portfolio, which AI helps you create instantly. Fourth is print on demand. Here, you use Midjourney to design t-shirts, posters, stickers, and mugs, then upload them to Etsy or Reddit. Whenever someone buys, you earn money without doing anything else. It's a great passive income stream. And finally, AI blogging plus affiliate marketing. If you enjoy writing or want long-term growth, start a blog. AI writes the content. You add images, and your site earns through ads and affiliates. Choose one side hustle. Don't try all at once. Master one, then expand. Chapter 4, your 30-day action plan to hit $1,000. Now here's the part that truly matters. The 30-day roadmap. In week 1, you'll choose your side hustle, set up your accounts, learn the tools, and create your first sample content. Whether it's designs, videos, or writing. Don't obsess over perfection. Focus on learning and building momentum. In week 2, you start publishing. If you're doing YouTube, upload 3 videos. If you're doing shorts or TikTok, upload at least 30 pieces of content. If you're doing Etsy, upload 20 to 30 designs. If you're freelancing, upload 8 to 10 gigs and send out 50 buyer requests or proposals. This week is about getting your work into the world. No one succeeds without posting. In week 3, you focus on improvement and consistency. Study analytics. Find what people like and double down. Improve your titles, thumbnails, designs, or gig descriptions. Stay active. Stay consistent. In week 4, your goal is earning. Promote your services. Add affiliate links. Optimize your Etsy shop. Or push high-performing content. Many beginners make their first £200, £1,000 in this phase because momentum starts kicking in. This 30-day roadmap works. If you do.
Chapter 5. Avoid these mistakes, plus scale your income. Most beginners fail because they make simple mistakes. The biggest one is inconsistency. They try for 5 days and give up. AI can help you go fast, but you must keep showing up. Another mistake is changing niches too often. Pick one direction and stick to it for at least 30 days. Some people let AI do 100% of the work with no human touch. That backfires. AI creates the draft. You add the final polish. That polish is what makes your work stand out. To scale your income, reinvest your earnings into better tools, better designs, or better content. Once your first side hustle starts earning, expand to another. Build multiple income streams so you're never dependent on one source. AI gives you speed. Your consistency gives you results. Combine both and you'll win. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you've stayed with me all the way through, then you're already ahead of most people because you didn't. Just look for a quick trick. You looked for a real plan. That's exactly what this video gave you. A full, practical, step-by-step roadmap to launch your first AI side hustle and make your first $1,000 online in 2025. But here's the truth. None of this works unless you do. AI can automate the work. AI can give you the speed. AI can help you create things that used to take hours, but AI won. Press upload for you. AI won't stay consistent for you, and AI won't take action for you. That part is yours. And the people who win in 2025 will be the ones who stop overthinking and simply start. So whatever side hustles stood out to you today, YouTube automation, freelancing, TikTok Reels, print on demand, or AI blogging, start it today. Not next week, not when I'm ready, not when I have time. Start now. Every single successful creator, freelancer, or online entrepreneur you see today started the same way you restarting right now, with zero experience, zero confidence, and zero clarity. They just took the first step. And that first step changed everything. If you want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial on any of the side hustles we covered today, just comment step-by-step below and I'll make a full video breaking down every detail for you. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I'm dropping more AI money-making videos every single week. and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay focused, stay consistent, and stay ahead, because the future belongs to the people who take action today. I'll see you in the next video.